Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. Then start our today's topic साइनसाइटिस। तो सबसे पहले साइनोसाइटिस के अंदर हम लोग साइनसेस के बारे में देखेंगे। व्हाट इज साइनस। साइनस जो होता है नेजल कैविटी का में जो रिस्पिरेटरी पार्ट होता है उसमें एयर फील्ड एक्सटेंशन होता है। साइनस की जो कैविटीज होती है जिसमें मैक्सिलरी साइनस आते हैं which is largest in the cheekbones, then frontal sinus which are lowest center of the forehead, then ethmoid sinus between the eyes at the bridge, other one is sphenoid sinus in the bones behind the nasal cavity. These are the images which show the sinus and sinuses are in pair. These are the frontal and these two are the ethmoidal sinus and these are the sphenoid and these two are maxillary. साइनस जो होता है बर्थ के टाइम पे एब्सेंट होता है या फिर कह सकते हैं रूडिमेंट्री होता है। दे अटेंड फुल साइज एवरेज आफ्टर द प्यूबर्टी। ओके, साइनसेस आर लाइंड विथ म्यूकोसा विच इज सॉफ्ट पिंक टिश्यू एंड यहाँ पे जो एपिथेलियम का जो यूज होता है जिसको स्यूडो स्ट्रेटिफाइड सिलिएटेड कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम बोलते हैं। एंड आते हैं बात करते हैं साइनोसाइटिस की। साइनोसाइटिस ये दो वर्ड से मिलकर बना है, साइनस और आइटिस। आइटिस मीन्स इन्फ्लामेशन। यहाँ पे बोलेंगे जो साइनसेस जो होता है साइनसेस इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ द टिश्यू लाइनिंग द साइनस। नॉर्मली साइनसेस आर फिल्ड विथ एयर बट व्हेन साइनसेस बिकम ब्लॉक्ड एंड फिल्ड विथ फ्लूइड and germs like bacteria, virus and fungi can grow and cause an infection. Here the images we show a healthy sinus and sinusitis. Which one shows the inflamed area and inflamed lining. There are excess mucus. And what are the causes of sinusitis? First one is blockage. इंक्लूड द कॉमन कोल्ड की वजह से जो भी ब्लॉकेज होता है उससे साइनोसाइटिस हो सकता है। सेकेंड एलर्जिक रेनाइटिस मीन्स द स्वेलिंग ऑफ द लाइनिंग ऑफ द नोज। एंड अदर वन नेजल पॉलिप्स विच आर स्मॉल ग्रोथ इन द लाइनिंग ऑफ द नोज एंड डेविएटेड नेजल सेप्टम अ शिफ्ट इन द नेजल कैविटी। एंड व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ साइनोसाइटिस? फर्स्ट वन इज एक्यूट साइनोसाइटिस, सेकेंड वन इज subacute sinusitis and third chorionic sinusitis and last one recurrent sinusitis. But acute sinusitis इनके देखते हैं acute sinusitis क्या होता है। acute sinusitis a sudden onset of cold like symptoms such as runny stuffy nose and facial pain that cause not go away after 10 to 14 days. Acute sinusitis typically lasts 4 weeks or less. In case of subacute sinusitis it is an inflammation lasting 4 to 8 weeks. Other one chorionic sinusitis, it is a condition which is characterized by sinuses inflammation with symptoms lasting 8 weeks or longer. Other one or last one is recurrent sinusitis which is several attacks within a year. What are the symptoms? In case of symptoms are facial pain, nasal stuffiness, nasal discharge, other one loss of smell, fever, bad breath, fatigue, pus in the nasal cavity. Common bacteria that cause sinusitis: first one Streptococcus pneumoniae, other one Haemophilus influenza, and next anaerobic bacteria. What are the diagnosis for the sinusitis? First, nasal endoscopy. Second, surgery, turbinectomy, radiography and CT scan of the sinus. First, in case of nasal endoscopy, it is the examination of the interior of the nose and sinuses drainage areas in which a tube-like instrument equipped with a teeny light and camera. These are the picture which show nasal endoscopy procedure. These images show nasal endoscopy procedure. And surgery. In case of surgery, Irritation and swelling from an allergy can narrow the opening of the sinus. Surgery may be necessary. Also, if there is a structural abnormality of the sinuses, such as nasal polyps, which can obstruct sinus drainage, surgery may be needed. Turbinectomy. It is a procedure called turbinectomy, may also be performed to shrink the swollen tissue of the nose. Radiography of penis. First one, Waters view, also called an occipitomental view. It is a radiographic view where an X-ray beam at angle at 45 degree to the orbitometal line. The rays passes from behind the head and the perpendicular to the radiographic plate is commonly used to get better view of the maxillary sinuses. It is only view for maxillary sinuses. These are the images which show sinuses. Cladwell view, also known as occipitofrontal view. It highlights the posterior ethmoidal sinuses, ethmoidal cells and frontal sinuses. X-ray beam are projected at 15 degree. These are the radiographic images, and these images show the view central ray and 14 to 20 degree angle at Cladwell view. CT scan, it evaluates sinuses that filled with fluid or thickened sinuses membrane, which detect the presence of inflammatory disease. It provides additional information about the tumors of the nasal cavity and sinuses. Plan for surgery by defining anatomy. In case of treatment to reduce congestion, we use nose drops or oral decongestant medicine. To reduce inflammation, antibiotics will be prescribed for any bacterial infection. In antihistamine may be recommended for treatment of allergy. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.